Hello guys, I'm Ahmedabad have given scholarship to 3% of the students only. On the other hand, I am Jammu have given scholarship to 20% of the students. So we've got this data from the NERV site where all the IIMs have submitted their data for the appraisal. And based on that, I've taken a few examples here to show you which IIMs have given how much scholarship. So scholarships at IIM Ahmedabad listed there. Total number of students 800, first year, second year, jod ke. Economically backward 26, reserved category 409. Number of students who have got the state and central government scholarship 28. Number of students who have got tuition fees refund from the institution 0. 25 लाख फीस देते हो, थोड़ा बांट दो यार. Private body 1% got scholarship, so total 3% of the students only have got the scholarship. Yeah, at IIM Ahmedabad. Same if you look at IIM Bangalore, 9% of students have got a scholarship. 13 students have been sponsored by the institution funds themselves. Yeah, state government 44 students and private bodies 40 students. IIM Calcutta, on the other hand, 4.8% of the students have got the scholarship. IIM Rohtak 9.6% and IIM Kashipur 16%. IIM Jammu, best of the lot, 21.44%. 21% बच्चे को स्कॉलरशिप मिली है एट IIM जम्मू में. इसका मतलब देख के ये भी लग रहा है कि जितना फेमस कॉलेज उतना कम स्कॉलरशिप का चांस, क्योंकि IIM अहमदाबाद को पता कि तो उतना कमा लेगा यार, तो देखो स्कॉलरशिप की क्या जरूरत है. 3%. IIM जम्मू ऑन द अदर हैंड इज मोर लिबरल, 21% पीपल हैव गॉट स्कॉलरशिप. नाउ IIM अहमदाबाद का IIMs का स्कॉलरशिप इज नॉट बेस्ड ऑन योर कैटेगरी. लाइक द लॉट ऑफ स्कूल, फॉर एग्जांपल CET में जितने भी कॉलेजेस हैं उधर कैटेगरी वाइज स्कॉलरशिप मिलती है. IIM में ऐसा नहीं है. IIM में इज बेस्ड ऑन योर फैमिली बैकग्राउंड. Fine. So the long story short, there is no scholarship at IIMs based on the reserved category point of view. Of course, a lot of people from the reserved category get the scholarship, but it's actually based on your family background. If your family income is below a particular level, so there are different type of scholarships. There are 100% scholarship as well. There's a 75% scholarship, 50% scholarship and 25% scholarship which you can get. ये एडमिशन में जाने कॉलेज के जाने के बाद आपको मिलता है, पहले नहीं मिलता है. इसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी डाल दिया. सो देयर इज अ नीड बेस्ड स्कॉलरशिप. दिस इज एट ऑल द कॉलेजेस एट IIM अहमदाबाद एज वेल. फाइन. सो FPM फेलोशिप सबको मिलता है. इंडस्ट्रियल स्कॉलरशिप एज वेल, PGPX स्टूडेंट स्कॉलरशिप, ST/SC स्कॉलरशिप अवॉर्डेड टू द आउटस्टैंडिंग SC/SC स्टूडेंट्स ओनली. हर एक को नहीं मिलेगा. इट्स ईदर बेस्ड ऑन योर परफॉर्मेंस और बेस्ड ऑन द फैमिली बैकग्राउंड. Yeah, Government of India merit cum means scholarship, 25% of the non-sponsored students. State scholarship, state government also gives scholarship to some students based on both need and merit. तो need and merit base पे है ये. आदित्य बिरला स्कॉलरशिप, ये तो काफी लोगों को मिलता है. OP जिंदल स्कॉलरशिप and OCWN financial scholarship for the students. This is IIM Ahmedabad. So basically it's a need based scholarship. At most of the colleges this is same. Merit scholarship, special scholarship, corporate sponsorship, state sponsorship and for the fellowship programs. तो इसके लिए आप एलिजिबल हो कि नहीं हो ये कॉलेज में जाने के बाद ही पता लगेगा. तो एज ऑफ नाउ अपनी कैट की तैयारी चालू रखो. But yes, there are few scholarship, but again it's either based on merit or based on need. It's not on the basis of a particular category. All the best.